Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Real short little video, part 2 of this. And some people ask me sometimes how I've learned so much in Corel is because I try things. So I just did a video where I intersect all 4 of these. But if I will go outside and just select the 4 boxes and group them together, Control G, and I'm only got the 4 boxes you can see because I did not encompass all of it. So then when I grab the 4 boxes and shift select the ribbon and I go up here to intersect, it does that, what I wanted it to do. And what makes it easy, I can move the 4 boxes out of the way. Now, then I can go here and put these to go to object order front of page. And then when I put them back, it's going to look like they're interwoven again. So a lot less steps made life really easy. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.